Welcome. Now we will discuss the trigonometric tables. Those are very important tables for you in your examination, not only in 10th, but in higher classes. You must be able to recollect this table very easily. To do that, there are very few steps that you need to do. The first step is write down the angles. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Below them, write down numbers from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now divide by the highest number. Highest number is 4. Divide by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4. So 0 by 4 is 0. 1 by 4, I'm going to write it as 1 by 4. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Correct? 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 3 by 4 as it is. 4 by 4, 1. Now I'm going to take the square root. If I take the square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1 by 4. Square root of 1 by 2. Square root of 3 by 4. And square root of 1. Square root of 0, 0 as it is. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Correct? Root of 4 is 2. Square root of 1 again 1. Square root of 2, I am writing it as root 2. Square root of 3 divided by root 4. Root 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2. Square root of 1 is 1. This, what you got, is the sine values. So sine 0 degrees, sine 30 degrees, sine 45 degrees, sine 60 degrees, sine 90 degrees. You can fill up these values. Sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 91. So very simple. First write down the angles, then write numbers from 0 to 4. Divide by the highest number, take square root. That will give you the sine values. Write them in reverse order, you will get the cosine values. That means first under 0 degrees, write the last number 1. Under 30 degrees, write the last second number, root 3 by 2. Under 45 degrees, same. Under 60 degrees, 1 by 2. And under 90 degrees, 0. So we just reversed it. Sine started from 0 and went to 1. Cosine will come reverse. Start from 1, go up to 0. Next is tan. Tan is the ratio of sine by cosine. Correct? Tan theta is basically sine theta by cos theta. So all I have to do is just divide these two. Sine divided by cos. So in the first case, it is 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 is 0. So first case it is 0. Second case, it is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. It is 1 by root 3. Third case, it is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. All of it will get cancelled. You are left out with 1. Fourth case, it is root 3 divided by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You are left out with root 3. And the last one is 1 divided by 0, which is infinity or undefined. Once you do the tan, write tan in reverse order, you will get caught reverse order. So starting with infinity, next number is root 3, then 1, then 1 by root 3, then 0. So very easy. Get sine first. Write 4 numbers, divide by the highest number. Starting from 0 up to 4, divide by the highest number. Take square root of it, you got sine. Write it in reverse order, you will get cosine. Divide them, you will get tan. Write tan in reverse order, you will get cot. Now come to cosecant. Cosecant is 1 by sine. So the first one, you be careful. First one, 1 by sine is 1 by 0. See, sine is 0. So 1 by 0, that will become undefined or infinity. After that, all the terms, sine value, what is there in the denominator, you write in the numerator. 1 by 2, denominator is 2, it will become 2. 1 by root 2, denominator is root 2, so take it on top, root 2. Root 3 by 2, Denominators 2 will go on top. Numerators root 3 will come down. 1 inverse of 1, 1. That will remain the same. So all that is there in the denominator of sine, put it in the numerator. If what is there in the numerator, put it in the denominator. You will get cosecant. Once you get cosecant, write it in reverse order, you will get secant. So 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, infinity. You will get secant. So you need to know sine, tan, cosecant first term, enough. After that, you can get all the others very easily. So 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Numbers from 0 to 4. Divide by the highest number, take square root. You will get 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. That will become your sine. Write it in reverse order. So 1 will come first, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, then 0 cosine. Divide them, you will get tan. Write tan in reverse order, you will get cot. Cosecant, first one, you be careful. After that, what is there in the denominator, write it in the numerator. What is in the numerator, write it in the denominator of sine. You will get cosecant. Write it in reverse order, you will get secant. This is how you get all the trigonometric ratios in your exam.